Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito. First, gather your fresh ingredients like mint, lime, and white rum. You'll also need some sugar and club soda to complete this refreshing drink. The key is to use fresh, high-quality components for the best flavor. We'll walk through each step to ensure your homemade mojito is absolutely perfect and delicious. For a truly authentic mojito, fresh ingredients are non-negotiable. You'll want about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1/2 of a juicy lime, and 2 ounces of good quality white rum. Don't forget 2 teaspoons of sugar or simple syrup and some sparkling club soda. A muddler and a sturdy tall glass will make the preparation much easier. Let's get mixing. In your glass, gently muddle the mint leaves and lime wedge. The goal is to release their oils, not to shred them. Next, add 2 teaspoons of sugar or simple syrup, then pour in 2 ounces of white rum. Fill your glass completely with ice, then top it off with refreshing club soda. Stir everything together lightly. To finish your perfect mojito, garnish it with a fresh mint sprig and a lime wedge. This adds a lovely aroma and visual appeal. Serve your drink immediately to enjoy it at its peak freshness and chill. It's a fantastic, refreshing treat. Also, for those looking to simplify their kitchen routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to those, along with other great deals we've found just for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.